How to crop photos in NanoBanana.AI. I am going to guide you through the process of cropping photos in NanoBanana.ai. Let's get started. First, on your laptop, open web browser and search for NanoBanana.ai. Head over to the official website. Once you are inside the site, make sure you are logged in with your account. Now scroll down to the editor section. Here select the image to image option, tap add image and pick the photo you want to crop. After selecting your photo, go to the main prompt field. This is where you will give instruction to the AI. To crop, simply type your command. For example, crop the photo to 16:9 ratio. You can also try other ratio or crop style depending on your needs. Once you have entered your prompt, type on the generate now button. Wait a few seconds while the AI processes your request. Then in the output gallery, you will see your cropped image ready to use. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and stay tuned for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.